How do I use this? Like, I know how to hold. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melina, and in today's video I'm going to be setting up my new iPhone 12 mini with you guys. And yeah, I'm very excited. And before I start, I just want to say that I did get this as a Christmas gift. I didn't ask for it, but I'm still very grateful for it. And I don't want this to be like I'm bragging, like I got a new phone or whatever, you know. So this is the packaging, the box, I guess. It's slim because it doesn't come with the charging block. And yeah, let me open it. And this is how it looks. And I got it in the color mint, I think. I don't know if it's like a specific, if it has like a specific name, but this is how it looks. And obviously it has like this type of iPhone 5C type of look. So yeah. And then this is what comes in the box. This is just the USB lightning cable, I think, and then just like the Apple stickers and instructions and stuff. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the charging block, like you have to pay like extra money for it. But I do have a laptop and I think it should work with this because it has like the same type of connection. That's how it looks. Other than that, this is my previous phone. Don't mind the phone case. It's the iPhone 6s Plus. When I got it, to be honest, like the iPhone 8 was already out, but I wanted like the rose gold color, so I got the 6 instead. This phone has been with me for 3 years, if I didn't mention that. And sometimes I do have problems with it, but other than that, like it works pretty fine. I'm going to set up my new phone, like just put on the screen protector, and I'll be back once I do that, because I don't know how that's gonna work out. So I'm back and I finished putting on the screen protector. To be honest, I think I did really good. So my face is gonna be unfocused, but my phone has the button, so I've never done that. Okay, it says finish setting up phone, Face ID. Should I do the Face ID? I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna like customize it and like download all my apps. Okay, so like 30 minutes later, I finally finished like putting all my contacts. I need to find a wallpaper. I'm not really sure what type of theme to go for because on my phone right here, I went for like a Minecraft, and like this widget right here is like designed to like change. So like when it's night, it's like that, and then it changes to like, you know, a morning picture. But I'm not sure if I want to do the same here, so I'm just gonna see on Pinterest. Also, I'm not really sure if I should put my case on right now or like later. I mean, I'm touching like everything, so yeah. Should I just put it now? Yeah, I kind of wanted to like leave it for like the final finish, but like, you know, it's whatever. So the case that I got is a wildflower case, and okay, wildflower cases are expensive, so this is the first one I've ever gotten. I think it's called Flower Power, I think that's what it's called, and it looks like this. But yeah, this is probably like the only case I'm getting from like Wildflower. Look how small this is. Okay, I want to show you like the difference between like the mini and like the 6s Plus. Like, I'm gonna have to get used to like the difference, but that's crazy. I mean, it's like the Plus, so like it's bigger, but anyways. So yeah, here it goes on. So yeah, this is how the case looks. Anyways, I also forgot to mention, this phone is like the same exact phone as the iPhone 12, but just smaller, and the difference is obviously that this one has like a small battery, so the battery life is not that good compared to like the iPhone 12, but like other than that, it has all the same features as the iPhone 12. I don't know what type of wallpaper to go for. This mushrooms wallpaper is kind of cute. I've been into mushrooms lately. I know what my lock screen is gonna be. Why is my volume so high? My lock screen is gonna be like Minecraft related, so like I should just put my whole thing in Minecraft, right? These are like the ones that come with it, but like I don't want to choose one of these. Oh my god, that's so cute. So this is my lock screen. It's just Quackity because he's my favorite streamer. And if you hold on it, if you hold on it, it's like a live wallpaper. Oh, it's not working. See? It has like all these different pictures and it's just like a cute edit. Anyways, no one cares. And then yeah, this is my home screen. Okay, so I'm gonna redo the Face ID because I had to create like a passcode, but I didn't want my passcode to be like that long. So yeah, here I go again. I think that's it. Oh yeah, the widget. Okay, so this is what I do to like make the time widget, if anyone cares, like this thingy, and like make it like nighttime, daytime. Okay, so I choose this. Oh yeah, you have to download this app called Widgetsmith, and then you go on this one right here, and then it doesn't matter about that one, just click on this and then just like choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose this one, and then my photo is gonna be this one, and then I'm just going to change the where I want it and then customize this. You can like change the color too, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then I'm just going to like, this is like 6 a.m, 7 a.m, and then like etc. So then I just want it like up to 6, and then I add another one, and then obviously yeah, you get the deal. I move this, and you can't move it more, so it's gonna like, yeah, anyways, so then you click on this one and then you create the one for the nighttime. So yeah, that's that, and then I choose this side, and then I customize my theme. I'm gonna change the color to be purple, and then yeah, I'm also gonna change this because like this small piece is gonna be that, and I don't want that, so I'm just gonna copy it to be like this one for the daytime. And then move it to that side, and then move this. Save. Okay, so I got that done. You go to Widgetsmith, and then you choose the size, and yeah, I'm gonna move it to this side. I hope that made sense. Now I'm gonna add another one. Okay, so I'm gonna add my battery photos. Obviously I don't have photos, but like, you know. So then I just go like this, and just, yeah, that makes a stack, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, how do I use this? Like, I know I have to hold. Oh my god, I got it. Okay, so obviously, yeah, I don't know the features of this yet. I haven't tried out the camera, but I'll like put a before and after, like, you know, with this phone and this one, to show you the difference between the quality. But yeah, wow, there's like such a difference. Wow, I have the cool features now. Oh my god, you know what I want to try out? The Animoji. Okay, I'm just like seeing all the different things. Okay, I don't know what to take a photo of. Thanks for seeing me set up my phone. I know I don't do much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have any questions or just video ideas for me to do in the future, leave them down below. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I post videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.